Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll show you how you can use the Amkette Ergo laptop stand with your laptop. To begin with, you should ensure that you unlatch the laptop half before placing the laptop onto the device. This thing can be a little tough, so doing it without the laptop is better than doing it with the laptop on. Once you've done that, open up the two stoppers on the front. These are the ones that your laptop comes to a rest against. Next, take your laptop, place it on the top surface, and then elevate it. Just lift the back end and you'll reach the first level of adjustment. If you find this is comfortable, you can stop right here, open the laptop and go ahead with your work. Or if you feel that this is not comfortable enough and you want to raise the elevation, just lift it a little and you'll hear the metal latch just swiping backwards and falling into the next adjustment level. This is your second level. If you still don't find it comfortable, you can move it one level up, another level up, and you can keep doing this until it reaches the absolute max. This is the last level. So when we started off, we were at level 1, then we moved to level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we'll be going directly into 7. As you can see, we are holding the metal bracket, and as we reach the end, we just slotted it into the absolute top end. Now it has 4 silicon pads which provide some level of grip. They're calling it the anti-slip pads. So you can keep it on top and then let your laptop come to a rest against the stoppers on the front. Now open the laptop and use it as you would normally. So that's how you'd use the Amkette Ergo laptop stand with your laptop. Thank you for watching.